Hello everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to comment anonymously on Facebook. First thing first, visit Facebook and log into your account. In the left-hand sidebar, click Groups to view the list of groups you've joined. Under Groups you've joined, select the group where you posted anonymously. Now, scroll through the feed or click the search icon inside the group to search by keyword or filter by your activity to find your post. Once you find the anonymous post you created, click the comment button or the write a comment field under your post. Now you need to type your message, and don't worry, since the post is anonymous and you're the original poster, your comment will also appear as anonymous automatically. Just know that you can only comment anonymously under your own anonymous posts. Facebook doesn't allow anonymous comments or regular posts or under someone else's anonymous post. And also keep in mind that admins and moderators of the group can still see your identity even if regular members cannot. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.